This year, we're pleased to welcome Pix Force, which I should mention has been named the #1 artificial intelligence startup in Brazil. So here's co-founder Daniel Rodrigues Moura to describe how Pix Force products are empowering computers to interpret and analyze digital images faster than humans. Over to you, Daniel.
Hi, my name is Daniel Moura, founder and CEO of Pix Force. The larger the industry, the larger the risk. What if I told you that we can use AI to mitigate risk in any industrial site? Today, I'm going to show you 3 products from Pix Force that are making our world a safer place. The first one is Pix Safety. It's a system to detect people in risk in any industrial site. Every industrial site has hundreds and thousands of cameras, but they are not protecting anybody. With Pix Safety, we can detect, for instance, people that are not using the right personal protective equipment, or even if personnel is walking under a crane in a red zone. Our system is unique because it's a no-code platform. In 5 minutes, anybody can set up the system, and then boom, a cheap camera becomes a robust sensor. On the top of the alerts, we consolidate all the data for auditing and training. But why bother? Injuries cost hundreds of billions of dollars every year in costs. Our second product, Pix Grid. Everybody's talking about electric cars, but how are we going to provide all the required electricity? With Pix Grid, we can detect, for instance, defects in transmission lines or even heat spots in conveyor belts. But why bother? Power outages, they cost $150 billion every year in the United States alone. And now a product that I'm sure everybody's going to like it. This one we developed with Shell. Shell couldn't find anywhere in the world, so they came to Pix Force. It's Pix Blue. It's a system to detect oil leaks in the ocean with cameras and sensors installed in platforms or even in satellites. This is a one-of-a-kind system because it's fast and reliable for immediate response. And why bother? A single disaster can cost $70 billion. Pix Force is doing well in terms of traction. We work for large companies such as Shell and Anglo American. We're going to reach a revenue of $3 million in 2023, and we see a very clear exponential growth in the coming years. Pix Force has 120 experts, and they are our most precious asset. For Pix Force, AI is not another hype. Instead, it's a superpower that makes our lives better and safer. Not tomorrow, today. Thank you.
Very much, Daniel. It seems like a very encouraging development that promises to have worldwide applications. So speaking of worldwide applications, Andres, what other applications or markets do you see for Pix Force's technology?
Well, parabéns, Daniel. You brought your own crew here, which is awesome. Fantastic.
Strong contingent.
Love the energy. I love what Pix Force has done, putting together pieces of technology and making it usable. Now, the usable is, I think it's limitless. Think about healthcare, think about retail, there's security, but it's efficiency, but it's anything. I think you're sitting in a great solution here and huge market potential, definitely.